I'm Archana Soreng from India. I belong to Khariya tribe. My grandfather was a pioneer of community-led forest protection practices. He was of the firm believer that we should have a sustainable relationship with nature. We cannot achieve our climate and developmental agenda and goals without a healthy planet.
We've known for years that technology can play an important role in addressing climate change. Solar panels, electric cars, and windmills reduce our dependence on fossil fuels for energy and limit the release of the greenhouse gases that are warming our planet. But the truth is, another essential tool has been with us all along. For millions of years, forests, plants, and soils have been keeping our planet alive.
In the past, we understand that we've been damaging our environment. We understand that through conservation, we can change a lot of things. The livelihood in the community, we can tackle a lot of climate effects on our community.
The protection of mangroves means the protection from storm surges and protection of our food source.
If we succeed all the projects that we've been working for, when we come here we have enough to consume. We maintain our own resources and teach it to our children and then live in a better environment, clean environment.
Aweri anrobai wa muni bai pembete ke nanipa. Monito konve ate imunipa. Monito yekene arobai pentono ome ne amuni monipa.
Healthy ecosystems regulates our drinking water, the source of all life on earth.
En los años 2010 se vio reflejado de que ya no había que vender. Habíamos talado muchos árboles y cuando nos damos cuenta ya no había nada atrás, no había bosque, ¿no? Pero ¿cómo paramos? ¿Cuál es la alternativa para poder generar ingresos económicos para la comunidad o para las familias? Cultivar el cacao y el café y así generar ingresos y a no talar más bosques.
50% of humanity depends on healthy ecosystems for the livelihood of farming, fishing, and forestry. But the way we manage land today in conventional agriculture and forestry creates a quarter of human-caused greenhouse gases.
Every year, though, we burn and deforest millions of acres of land. When we do that, an incredible amount of carbon is released into the atmosphere, contributing to the warming of our planet. Not only is that stored carbon released as carbon emissions, but we are destroying our most effective technology for removing carbon from the air, growing trees.
Nature is essential for capturing carbon from the atmosphere. But because of human impacts, many areas of forests that were once carbon sinks are now becoming carbon sources. Intact nature is our ally. It keeps our climate stable and keeps us safe.
เราเกิดมาก็เจอแล้วไงคือณทุกวันนี้เราก็ยังหากินอยู่จากตรงป่านี้ค่ะหน่อไม้เห็ดบ้างหาปูหาปลาผักทุกชนิดไม่ว่าหน้าไหนเราจะรู้หน้านี้เราควรผักอะไรบ้างอย่างนี้ค่ะมันเหมือนอยากกินเราเข้ามาเราก็ได้เลยอ่ะ
Esta es una crema anti-envejecimiento que nos ayuda a prevenir las líneas de expresión. Para nosotros ha sido básico tener en cuenta pues los recursos genéticos en cuanto a la riqueza que nos ofrece cada una de las plantas.
We study the ancient freshwater swamps as reference ecosystems, preserved in pristine condition through the centuries by generations, sacred in their belief and wisdom.
Intact nature is the planetary safety net. this does not have to be the end of our story.